Good morning. How you guys doing? Hope everybody had a great weekend. Elijah finally in here, bro. Did you go on vacation? Been missing you in here, Elijah. Hope you're doing well. We got Coin, Jonathan, Elijah, Family Life Church. Welcome. Kimberly in Montana on a business trip. Sounds exciting. Jonathan, you're on a temporary hold. You're doing well in the green, but commissions are eating you up. So you put a little hold on your account just to figure things out for a little bit? Not a problem there, man. Not a problem at all. Elijah moving in. Now, that's not really a new mistake, man. If you put a little hole in your account because of commissions, that's a wise thing to do. Elijah moving into a new house. Well, congratulations. I hope you're not doing the moving yourself. Hire a moving company. That sounds awful, moving. Moving sounds awful. Jonathan, you fell under the 350, so you got a hold on the account. Man, you must be trading a lot, or just didn't fund it enough. But you're making good trades apparently if you're in the green, but maybe over trading or not sizing enough, heavy enough on them. Coin, watching BBBYENLV. Yep, we got a few we're going to be looking at today. Coin, did for JHG, I remember on JHG Friday, you were waiting for that VWAP test. Did you end up getting it on JHG? I'll tell you guys, I'm not missing Ami today. If this thing pops up. Ami was crazy, guys. This thing popped up on Friday. Look what it did. On last Wednesday, this thing popped off, sold off, popped up, sold off. This thing's a seesaw. I'm ready for you, Ami. Come to daddy. So we got a few we're going to be looking at this morning. Congrats on the move, Elijah. Hope it's you're transitioning well. Let's go ahead and start jumping into today. All right. Yep, Jonathan didn't fund it enough, taking trades to learn first. I feel like trading real money felt far more realistic and emotionally accurate. Yeah, you'll get there, man. You'll get there. No doubt. Daniel, what's up, man? Good to see you in here. I hope you had a great weekend. All right, so SLDB, this one, we're going to be watching it today. Guys, I'm gonna do something crazy, and I'm gonna up the likes. If we're trading live today, we need at least 15 likes. I'm gonna be trading live today. I'm not gonna look at it till the end of the video, so we'll see what happens. SLDB, this one, 475 is gonna be tough resistance. I do have shorts here, being at CMEG. It wasn't really one I'd trade, but we're kind of backside-ish on it. So with SLDB, here's 475. Very tough last Thursday. And honestly, very tough Friday after hours. And so 475, I'm going to be watching this area closely. Attention is elsewhere right now. You guys know I like the easy stuff. I like the easy, quiet plays that not many people are looking at, that we can just kind of snap out of the gates. We can short them, fade them. I like the easy stuff. I'm not too crazy about the GRNQs of the world. Which is still getting pumped at the moment. Just a pump. What goes up must come down. Euphoria always ends in tears. Keep that in mind. GRNQ SSR is turned on. If you guys are interested there, it's on their gap up watch list. 17 million in float. That one just recently made a huge move, though. Several actually. So there's going to be a lot of unloading into that. Yep, Kim, emotionally accurate. Yep, that's what's missing out of paper is the emotions. You just got to learn, and the emotions never go away. You just have to learn what your emotions are telling you and work against them. You guys know, I've told you many, many times, emotions don't go away, but what you do is you learn what they're telling you. So human behavior never changes. Human behavior tells you when something goes up, buy it. When something goes down, sell it. But you have to realize, okay, my emotions, when they've told me this over the last 10,000 trades, what happens with the stock usually? And you trade that. Jag Trader in the house. But yeah, this will be good. This is going to be great for you, though. You know, we're all becoming the traders that we are going to one day be. It's one step at a time. One trade should never define any of us. Each trade is defining us into a trader we're going to one day be. Each step, each day, each morning. So just remember that. Whether you're on paper, whether you're live, whether you're trading with small capital, large capital, it doesn't matter. Every trade is going to turn us into the trader we're going to one day be. So that's SLDB. Going to be watching that against 475 at the open. Whew, I'm on a coffee high at the moment. I really don't drink coffee, but sometimes you got to do it. When you got a baby, you know, you don't get a lot of sleep. So, screaming all night. I find myself screaming all night too. Going crazy. Baby life. All right, Snap 15, Jonathan. Snap 15 Snap. SNAP. No, I remember when this one IPO'd, and it did not. That one kind of sold on off a little bit. IDT. This one was kind of our leading gapper on Friday. What I'd say here with IDT, if volume starts selling off, fading off with GRNQ, just understand IDT may get the attention. I'd watch it against the previous close if you're wanting to trade it. This is one I'm going to avoid. You guys know I don't trade the leading gappers or the stocks with the most attention and volume. All like the easier stuff. But IDT, if you're going to be watching it, this could get a second day on it. It could get a second day run. Just watch it against that previous close at around 960 IDT. Keep it on your watch list at least because it may start getting volume again. We will, if we're trading live today, we got to have the 15 likes today. If we are trading live, we will be watching everything. The Avery day trading team, we don't miss nothing. We miss nothing in here. WKHS, you guys know we're going to be watching this as usual. This is what I'm going to be watching. So, obviously, the best support is going to be at $21, but I do kind of like what it's been doing here around the 23 area. You see these lower shadows, so buy orders are getting absorbed here around that $23 area. We'll be watching it when it sells off here out of the gates. WKHS is one that likes to sell off and then do a red to green move. Much like what? Fearless Trader, are you in here? Much like JKS. So JKS is another one. I'm going to be watching this one carefully. Here's the trend on JKS. Very much respecting this trend. Can zoom in here. Here's the trend that it's on from $35. Bounced off of it. Next day bounced off of it. Third day bounced off of it. Fourth day bounced off of it. What do we notice here? This stock goes red to green. Red to green. Red to green. Red to green. Say it with me now. Red to green. All right, so JKS. You guys know I like to trade this for that little snap out of the gates to the red to green move, but when it goes green, I ain't messing with it. I'm stepping out of the way of the train. You know, it's like when you see a light at the end of the tunnel. It's not your way out. It's the train. Step out of the way. So I'll be stepping out of the way, JKS, but I like it against this trend. It's got a little overbought off of it. Obviously, JKS is entirely overbought. We've been watching this one for a while. We've been green on this name, just being short on it, but this one is getting crazy. Getting funky. Funky. And we look at this as a crazy move. It's gone from like 22 to 44, but it's the same type of move as a stock going from $2 to $4, you know, in Pennyland. So when we completely double our, when we completely double the value of the company like that, obviously makes for an overbought move. But it's no different than a $2 to $4 penny stock. So let's be watching that against the trend, JKS. Brad in the house. Let's go. Yeah, we got it today, man. We got it today. AMC, I like this stock. Here's what I like about AMC. This was on our gap down watch list, and I pulled this up, and I pulled up the daily chart on it, and it has major 390 support. It's got major 390 support. So I'm going to be watching this if this one can sell on off even further down below $4. If it sells down below $4, you better believe I'm scooping that bad boy up. Doing the old scoopy scoop. Every day train team, we're going to be bringing our brooms. That's AMC. Let's get ready for that scoopy scoop under $4. We'll see if that happens. Major support there. Move on to the next one. Brad, we need 15 likes to go live today, so make sure you guys smack that button. Do what you need to do. Do what you guys need to do. CRVS, all right, this one's already hit major resistance. So CRVS, this was a leading gapper this morning. You know what's crazy? Usually Monday mornings, like, traders kind of wait and see, let the dust kind of settle as far as where's volume going to go. But this morning, dude, we have incredible volume on a Monday morning today. Yeah, so just be mindful of that today. We have very, very good volume in pre-market this morning. CRVS, here's the chart. Let's look left of it as we normally do. That technical analysis, trader analysis, and fundamental analysis as we normally do in the Everyday Trading Squad. I got the coffee jitters, guys. You might start seeing me do some push-ups this morning. I gotta get these out. Intensity Stock Watch. My mentor in the house. Good morning, all. It's going to be a fun day. I definitely agree with you. Since you're in here. It's going to be a fun one. So here's CRVS's chart, 625. And this is something that Intensity Stock Watch actually helped with me, being that he is my mentor. That 20-cent area is a really magic number. When you look at the past chart history left of the chart of most tickers, you're going to see stocks pop up, have upper shadows through whole dollars, especially when they're fast. Faster the move, the weaker that trend is going to be. Fast move up through the whole dollar in that 20-cent area. We see that CRVS back here all throughout its past chart history, essentially. And this stock, just be watching that. I'd be, if you're trading this, it'd probably be shorting it against 625-ish. 625-ish area. That's holding on up. It's holding on up on this chart. So we'll see what's going to happen out of the gates. It's back down to this really nice support from pre-market, all these lower shadows here. So buyers may start absorbing some of these orders here. But I'll be watching it against 625. Watching. We do a lot of watching in here. Do a lot of watching. All right, let's move on to the next one. What's GRNQ doing? Is that still holding on up? So all volume in the penny stock land still on GRNQ. That's most certainly a chat room pump. So just be mindful of that. GRNQ, this is all you got to do. And remember, like I said, human behavior never changes. When Robinhooders see something like GRNQ popping up, they say, oh, it's up. I don't want to miss out on it. Let me buy it. And then they buy it at $2.94. And then guess what happens? We get that little slip and slide. And then when they get it at $2.94, and then now they're still in at $2.56, $2.53, they're thinking, let me just hold and hope. You know, I'll turn to a little long-term investor here. Let me look at the fundamentals. Well, the fundamentals are kind of sound on this company. I might just hold this position. Never a good idea, guys. All right, left of the chart, here we go. We got tons of upper shadow ice picks. It tried to get to that whole dollar at $3, but I already failed it. So I don't want today to be like that. You know, on Friday I missed AMI because it didn't break the whole dollar. I'm gonna be looking for some whole dollar breaks. So most of the time these stocks will gravitate towards the whole dollar, break it, take out orders, market makers hitting those stop orders above $3. I kill people's dreams in here, guys. I kill people's dreams. GRNQ, it's just a pump and dump. You guys are like, I'm getting out of here. I'm going to a chat room that's telling me to buy it. Whew. Go for it. Go for it, big boy. All right, so JKS going to be watching that one out of the gates. A little bit of a sell-off back down to the trend. Obviously, we'll be jumping out of the way on that one if it goes red to green. Don't want to be in front of that. Don't want to be in front of that train. AGO. Someone brought this up on Friday. AGO. This one's not bad. For a little fade out of the gates, maybe against the previous high day, 25.75. I want to see how AGO is going to open on up. I'm gonna throw it on one of my charts. Watch it at the open. AGO, faster the better, obviously. Man, I like this chart, but I don't think we can trade this one. Yeah, I like CFFN. $11 really tough on it, but I don't know about it. It's gonna open. We'll see how it's gonna open up. CFFN. I'm watching this one just real quick. I'll go over it. Fast move yesterday. Faster the move. Obviously, the more volume that comes into these stocks, the better, because that creates what? Above average volume creates above average range. I go over these all the time. So I'll be watching this one. It came up, fast move, hit resistance line. It's just going to be opening up. This little lower shadow here, opening up kind of lower than I want. Most of the time I want these to open up near resistance, not way off of them. I don't chase stocks. NNOX, Daniel, NNOX. Yeah, this one is a recent IPO. IPO'd in not too long ago, a few weeks ago. I don't really like trading IPOs. Kind of an avoid for me, but yeah, there's certainly going to be volume on NNOX. It's got good volume here on it. It's just not a whole lot to go off of. Technical indicators are most important to me. I've been training for a long, long time. Yeah, 4.5 years. And what matters the most is volume and technical indicators. Price action is obviously most important. Fundamentals, just how we were talking about. Human behavior never changes. So, never does. NNOX, if you're going to be trading this, what I'd say is obviously this close on Friday, $38 was prior resistance. You see this, so upper shadow here, Daniel, 38.20, upper shadow there on Friday's close, and then we also have that in pre-market here, upper shadow 38.20, a couple more there. So I'd be watching it, probably throw a stop on under 38 if I was trading on the long side. But other than that, guys, I'll be seeing what pops on up on the scanners. I'm going to load some charts up. Remember, if we get 15 likes in here, we'll trade live. We don't miss anything, so make sure we get them. If not, you guys are holding your own. We got 15 likes in here. 13. Whew. Getting close. You guys are cutting it. Cutting it. All right, JHG. I know we trade this on Friday coin, but yeah, this was really good against 26. Really, really good against 26. That was right off the scans as well. JHG was right off the scans, right up towards its resistance at $26. Hit it. I want to be watching this one again today. That's why I'm bringing it up. If we get a pop out of the gates, I'd like to short into that for a little bit of a fade again. Like to short into that for a little bit of a fade again if it pops up for us up towards 26. Obviously, risking like 26.20, fast move through the whole dollar to that upper resistance. So That's the idea there. What's our little buddy GRNQ up to? This is where all volume is going to be at the open of the day, obviously, no doubt about it. So we'll be watching that. If volume leaves that, which is likely to do, start fading, then volume's going to go elsewhere. Where might that go? Well, this is why I always keep past runners, recent runners you got to keep in mind, like IDT. If volume leaves GRNQ, volume's going to start going where volume was working at the end of last week. On plays that had a night. Fearless finally in the house. Fearless. Yep, JKS brought that up earlier. I mentioned you, Fearless. Yeah, JKS. I'll be certainly getting a piece of that today. And not playing with that red to green move, though. Not playing with the red to green. But I will get a piece of it. Alright, let me narrow this watch list in just a little bit. Let me narrow it in just a little bit. You guys let me know if you have any questions. And I'll do a little run through before we get started. Gotta have 15 likes before we get going. Don't know if we're there yet, but if not, jump on your grandma's YouTube account and start hitting that like button. Because I'm a man of my word, guys. We gotta start upping our game a little bit in here. Alright. So JHG, watching that to see if we can pop up towards 26 again. I actually do like AMC a lot. If AMC gets under $4, it's got such good support under $4. It's already sold on off a little bit. Fast move under 4. I'm a player. I am a player under 4. So AMC will be watching that. It's one of my favorite setups, actually. It's the same thing, guys. Whether it's and that's why we have intensity scanners on both the positive and negative side. It's the same thing on both sides. It's the same exact trade. You know, if you actually prefer buying, but you want a short, maybe flip your computer upside down, and then you can think of it as you're buying. It's the same thing. You're buying fast moves to support, you're buying that fear, and then short selling euphoria up to resistance, or just one fast continuous move, that human behavior. Such as CFFN. This is the bread and butter, baby. Fast move up to resistance, smack it over the whole dollar, and then start selling on off. It doesn't get much better than that, guys. Does not get much better than that. Alright, JKS, like that. Still trying to figure out what exactly I'm going to do with JKS. I want to see the price action at the open. I'd like to throw a feeler on it at the open, obviously, like we've been doing, but maybe on a pop. Maybe on that little poppy pop. WKHS down to the 2350s. I'm interested. Yeah, here's WKHS. This is what I'm looking at. $21 is really good support, guys. It's that's the breakout area when we were watching WKHS. That's the breakout area. But it looks like it's trying to hold these 23s. So, gonna watch it carefully. Well, I mean, what it's been doing, you guys know if you've been in here, you know the pattern recognition with WKHS. It sells off and then does a red to green move. So be watching that there in the 2350s, 23s. What else? AGO, I still like that chart. I know coin. You're watching BBBY. I would be there with you. I don't have shorts there, so if we start getting a pop on it, I'll alert it. But yeah, AGO. I do's. Not a bad looking chart here. See how that's going to open on up. A lot of this is just going to be feeling it out, seeing what's opening on up, how it's opening, how fast it is. The price action. The price action. All right, 926. So I'm going to be watching, again, real quick, JHG. JHG against 26. AMC under $4. Very good support at 390. JKS is way off the trend. Trend's going to be back. Even if you're thinking, okay, JKS is going to have continuation. It may have continuation, but continuation off this trend, right? So this trend is where it's been respecting. That trend's going to be back down towards $44. So even if the JKS has continuation, the trend's at 44. WKHS 35, low 35s, and then 21s is the best support. I like WKHS. I like that probably to scale into it slowly. But yeah, that's the watch list, guys. Do we have? I see 15 likes. Do we have 15 likes? All right, we got 16 likes. All right, we'll trade live. Let's do it. This week's going to be 15 likes, all right? We're going to be trading live, so. Woo. So let's do it. Let's do it. Got 2 minutes till the market opens on up. As the pin of the day says, plan your trade. Trade your plan. Another way to do it. Yeah, then, oh man, SLDB. Yeah, that's one we need to watch. Got so many I'm watching. SLDB, this is a good chart against 475. It's a good chart against 475. So, yeah, I want to throw this one up too. SLDB. I do have shorts here. All right, so SLDB against 475. We'll be watching it closely. Pretty good resistance, and we're kind of backside, so we do have some baggies still holding this, so it wouldn't surprise me if that held up. So we'll be watching that closely. Guys, if you're new in here, we got a minute left. Let's go over it real quick. Be watching and alerting. You guys have been doing very good at it. So you guys are learning the scans very well. Very proud of you guys. Positive intensity scans. These are the momentum plays. These are stocks getting overbought. Intensity. Fast moves leading to euphoria. And when they're highlighted orange, that means get ready for that reversal, baby. Get ready for some profit taking. So that's what we're watching for when they're highlighted orange. The highlighted yellow and blue are lower floats. Yellow is under 3 million float. Blue is under 11 million. Orange is just intensity. So we're watching that on both the positive side, meaning going up. Negative side, meaning this is getting panic sold. Fear. 30 seconds, baby. You guys ready? It's game time. It is game time. All right, I'm watching quite a bit out of the gate. I'm going to try to commentate as best as possible. You guys watch the scanners too, if you guys are watching those. I'm going to be kind of planning the trade, trading the plan right here. The open 10 seconds. Watching SLDB for a pop up to 475. AMC under 4. JKS going to be... JKS, JKS is trying to get a little bit of a sell-off right now. Market is open. So I'm watching a few of these out of the gates. JHG still against 26 as well. So if that pops up, we'll be taking a position there. Seeing what's happening at the moment. Just watching all these stocks. Watching them all. JKS already getting a little bit of a sell-off. I'm not going to chase that one because that one likes to go red to green. So JKS, a little frustrating. It's already under 45. I'm not chasing that one. Not chasing that one. BBBY getting that pop coin. If you guys have the shorts on BBBY, it is getting a pop on it at the moment. GRNQ starting to see some profit taking. Starting to see that one stalling off. So all eyes on... let's find out what's going to be popping up next. AMC getting a little sell-off. I'm watching that one carefully still. I really, really want that under 4. That's a good setup under 4. Good setup. SLDB trying to pop a little bit for us. Making sure we're not missing anything. Yeah, JKS is going to try to do that little red and green move like it normally does. Still like that first short, but I'm going to wait, be a little patient with it. Just trying to get a little pop on it right now. So let's see if that one can get over 46 for us. SLDB getting up close. I'm going to go ahead and start SLDB right there in the 461s. 475 is that tough resistance. So that's what I'm watching for, that 475 area. And I do plan on scaling up into that. Well, SLDB already selling off a little bit. Did you guys just smack that? Holy crap. Well, all right, I'm going to lock in a little on SLDB because it's already in the 440s. All right, the rest, I'm letting that go a little bit. I have a 461 average on SLDB. You guys were ready. All right, JKS popping up towards 46. Watching that one carefully at the moment. JKS, you are stupid. This is why we don't chase, guys. This is why we don't chase. So JKS, I'm watching for this one to get fast. If you're playing JKS right at the moment, scale slowly. Scale slowly, because this one gets to going very quick. Obviously, it just moved a point. SLDB in the 430s. Dang. Killing it, guys. Nice work there. So JKS, I'm getting interested here. Waiting for it to get a little fast. AMC is in the low 420s now, so watching for that one under $4. Still like it. I'm really hoping it gravitates towards under $4. Really hoping and praying there. So at the moment, I'm watching WKHS still for the 2350s, AMC under $4, SLDB just kicking back there, and JKS looking for that one to get a little faster. This is why some of you guys need to show up earlier. SLDB, we're in the money there. You guys got to show up. David, ENLV popping on off. Get a little pop on that. Yeah, I'd be slowly scaling into that, risking pre-market highs if I was trading it. AMC getting fast. I'm watching AMC closely. Very closely. This is the no FOMO squad, though. I'm not jumping into that one. Not jumping into that one too quick. JKS, I'm getting a little interested here. It's looking. Let me think about it. I'm gonna throw a feeler on JKS at $46. Just a feeler. 46 bucks. Just gonna throw a little bit on it. Ideally, that one gets faster. But still like that one back down towards the trend. So I'm just going to throw a little position on it. AMC, I'm still hoping and praying that one gets under 4. Still hoping and praying there. What are we at? Dang. Nice play. Yeah, SLDB, my adjusted risk on that, so obviously, I don't know. I like SLDB a lot. I had 461 average. I don't really want to go red on it, but I still like it against 475. So I'm still watching that one carefully. JKS, I'm just kicking back there. If it pops, I plan on scaling into it. If it starts selling off, so be it. I don't mind taking some money on it. WKHS starting to sell on down a little bit. JKS already in the 45.60s, 45.50s. All right. Sorry, guys. I am laser focused at the moment. I'm taking half JKS 45.50s, and the rest I'm going to let scale out. And stop is at 46, my average price. Same with SLDB. Stop is at 461 average price. WKHS, watching that one at the moment. It's coming down to the 23.70s. 23.70s. JKS 45.30s, baby. I'm 45.20s. I'm gonna take the rest. I'm gonna take the rest, JKS. Taking the rest. The rest. The rest at the best. Fearless, you get that too? Get a little piece of that. SLDB, that one 461 average. That's my adjusted stop at the moment. Fearless. Oh, baby. What is it with us, Fearless? We are in the green team squad on JKS. For some reason. She just loves us. Yeah, JKS dumping. So, of course, I got out a little too quick. But it is what it is. I ain't going to complain about. Man, JKS is dumping. Heck freaking yeah. Dude, beautiful, beautiful dump on that. Have you ever heard those words before? That was just a beautiful dump. I'm about to take one of those after I get done trading here. Beautiful dump. All right, WKHS 23.70s. Watching that one carefully. AMC still selling off 420s, about to break under 420. So those two I'm watching very carefully. SLDB about to get stopped out of that one. That'll be okay. 461 is kind of my average, so I'm watching that one against that. I may restart SLDB. If you guys are trading this as well, you may have a different plan. I still really like SLDB a lot. I just don't want to go red on it. But I may restart it if I stop out here shortly. May restart it. 475 is really tough on it. So I'm just watching that one carefully at the moment. AMC and WKHS are kind of where I'm at right now. Haven't stopped out of SLDB. Yeah, it's got a 5-cent spread on it. WWR, David, nice. Good alert there. Halted, going up. Man, CBAT was sick. Yeah, so CBAT just popped up on the scans recently. I missed it, wasn't paying attention. Popped up to 330, which was nearly the previous high day for a nice little short. That was nice. Nice little play there. SLDB, thank God I didn't stop out of that. 440s, back to 440s now. GRNQ, that one's just profit taking. This is what happens with our leading gappers. We see profit taken out of the gate. WKHS, I'm still just watching and waiting there. Nice work if you guys are still taking money on JKS. So pretty much I'm just kicking back now. SLDB, just going to kick back there. Going to let that fade. Mainly I'm watching AMC, WKHS at the moment. Just those two. If you guys are just now popping in here, what am I watching on AMC? It's down under 420s now. This is the chart I'm watching with AMC. It's got really nice support under $4. So this one's sold on off and after hours pre-market, and we're selling on off at the open. We're seeing a lot of panic here. So I'm just watching this against the 390s, one and under $4. That's all I'm watching. But it's got to come to us. I'm not going to trade that. I'm not going to take a trade there unless it gets under 4. All right, so we'll be watching WWR. We can watch that when that one opens on up. WWR. That one's paused at the moment. Like I said, guys, when volume left GR and Q and started selling off, it was going to go elsewhere. To what? What has been working. We just literally went over that. And what has been working? GR and Q. That was a huge play on Friday, so that's where volume's going. I would be very cautious buying this up near its previous highs on Friday. Be very cautious if you're buying that up towards its previous highs. But that's what happens. When volume leaves GR and Q, it goes elsewhere. WKHS is already popping up back over 24. JKS, just be cautious there. That one had a really nice sell-off on it, but you know how JKS is. It loves to do red to greens. So if that starts doing a red to green, just be careful there. It's because it's been providing us money every single day, but we want to get out of the way of JKS when it starts turning back around. There's always another trade on it tomorrow. So just be watching that one. It might try to come back down to the trend today, which is going to be near 44-ish. Come on, AMC. What? A little bit more panic. Just a little bit more panic. Let's get you down to $4. GAN just popped up on the scans. That one's getting a little poppy action on it. Pull up the chart on GAN, see what we're looking at. Chart's a little What's going on here? GAN signs 10-year deal with Wynn Resorts to provide sports betting, entertainment, gambling in Michigan. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it on watch. I don't want to start it yet. GAN 2020s. Wait and see if that one gets a little bit more euphoric on it. Just going to be patient with GAN. If that one starts going crazy, I'll get interested. But GAN, that one's on watch right now, as well as AMC for me. GAN's popping up on the scans, getting fast, getting euphoric. What happens with these? Human behavior never changes, guys. Get ready for the reversal. That's what it means. So I am watching it. I am watching GAN. Coin, you're being awfully quiet. What's going on over there? Probably busy trading. JKS 44.50s now, so that one may be trying to come to the trend. AMC down 415 now, 414. I'm getting ready. With AMC. Getting ready. That and GAN I'm watching. Those two at the moment. NNOX, that IPO that just came out a few weeks ago. That one is hitting all-time highs right now. NNOX. 4130s, 4140s. I'm not going to be trading it, but just want you guys to be aware. No trades yet, coin. AMC, 410s. 410s. All right. SLDB, I'm going to take the rest off of that one because I'm getting too bored with it. 460s now. Yeah, so I'm out of SLDB. The rest. AMC, just watching that one at the moment. SSR is now turned on AMC too, FYI. Alright, now it's starting to get a little scary. Getting scary. Oh my gosh, AMC is going to sell off forever. Panic. You like this You like all this commentating, guys? Most of the time, these things gravitate under the whole dollar. That's what I'm watching and praying for. So scary. It may try to get it a little early. I hope it doesn't, but it may try. GAN still taking on off. GAN 2040s now. I'm waiting for that one just to get a little bit more stupid. A little bit more stupid. WWR, is that one open? WWR. Woo! 612. Is that halted again? Coin bought a BBBY 21 put. Oh, AMC, come down. Come down. Come on down, as Bob Barker would say. Yeah, GAN, I'm watching that one, as well as AMC. Those are my two at the moment. WKHS, already got that pop without me, so I'm not going to chase that. JKS, trying to do a little red to green move like it normally does. SLDB back up towards 475, which is its resistance, FYI. Here's SLDB. This is kind of what I was watching. Here it is right now at 475, SLDB. This is where it has tough resistance. So really wouldn't be a bad idea to try it again right there. But let's see what's going to do around 475 SLDB. Let's see what she's going to do. All right, AMC back down to 408. SSR is on. WKHS, like Jonathan said, just doing what it does. Making new highs. Good trades on both sides of it. All right. Yeah, my only at the moment are... Yeah, SLDB, if you guys are interested there. 475 still holding on up on that, so that's not bad. WWR in that halt again. JKS is popping back up. I mean, we could try to get it again, risking over the $46 area. It's trying to pop back up a little bit. It's fighting. It's fighting that kind of green to reddish area. It's right near us open. It's right near us open. Trying that green, that red to green type of move. GAN looks like it wants to make new highs here very shortly. Still watching that one closely. Still watching GAN closely. It's about to make new highs again. Yep, here we go. GAN. I'm interested. I am interested with GAN. When it gets fast and stupid, I may start it. Oh, ooh, that just got slammed. GAN just got slammed. Don't tell me we about to have a fake out breakout. GRNQ in the under $2 now. Yeah, we might see a little fake out breakout on GAN, which is getting me a little interested. Dang. It's about to be under $20. GRNQ under $2. AMC getting close. AMC getting close. JKS already sold off from that 45.50s. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Man, I was very close on GAN to pulling the trigger there. Yeah, Jonathan was watching KOS 900,000 order to buy. Yeah, just most of the time those are very deceptive. People who don't want you to see their orders can actually hide them. You can display 0 shares on the montage window. So usually you'll see if a big order pops up, it just gets eaten through. It's smoke and mirrors, you know. It's people can put one share order out but display a million. People can put a huge order out and display 0. Price action is most important. All right, AMC getting close. Just watching a couple at the moment. Just watching AMC. If that flush is fast under 4, I will be scooping that one on up. That's pretty much it at the moment for me. Faster the better. Faster the better. David, WWR, is that still taking WWR? Good lordy. That thing is straight up. WWR is just getting absolutely stupid, guys. All right. Yep, we're not missing anything. We are not missing anything. WWR is going to try to get into a third halt. It's going to try to get halted again. JKS still selling off. That one's probably going to come down to the trend line. Yep. So JKS is approaching its trend line right here. So be watching to see if that one starts getting some buyers to start coming on into it. JKS, I'd probably lock in just a little bit right there, 44.20s-ish. It's coming right down to that trend that it's been on for the last week. EXPI popping up on the scans. That one's getting pretty fast. A little thin. It's a little thin. I'd wait for it to get a little faster, but that one's popping on up if you guys want to turn your attention there. EXPI. A little too thin for me at the moment. You just got to size accordingly if you're going to trade it. Man, I really wanted AMC, but I don't know if it's... Want it fast under 4. That's what I'm looking for. Not going to give up on her yet. That's pretty much it at the moment for me. WWR did not get that third halt. Already kind of sold on off a little bit. Little bit of a death candle there. 738 down to 650 in one candlestick. A little bit of a death candle, so I'll be a little nervous there, WWR. Yep, JKS right down to its trend. See what's going to happen there. 44s. Good, beautiful work on JKS, guys. Beautiful, beautiful work. Oh, PTT popping up a bit. SPI. Good God, SPI. What are you doing? Stock's trying to rise from the dead. SPI just got killed a few weeks ago. SPI just... This was a stock that kind of woke up the market, SPI. I think it was what? Isn't this like an energy company? Yeah, energy. So this is kind of what got that energy sector, the batteries, the Tesla, all that stuff going, and a few bucks to $47. It's SPI, man, that was fun. SLDB may be trying to get up through that 475 area. It's right at it right now. I like it. I like SLDB for a short here, but I'm just being careful with it. Seeing if it wants to try to hold on up or get a little selling pressure right here. Yes, getting met with a little selling pressure. It's going to be a tough area to get up through. It's going to be a really tough area to get through. NNOX, that IPO, still making new highs at the moment. Man, GAN. Didn't take it. Did not take it, but that was a perfect example of a scanner play. So this one very fast. You guys see it was highlighted orange on the scans. Very fast move, overbought, euphoria, short into it, and it's already starting to see that sell-off. I was about to press the trigger, but it had that fake out breakout right here. Just pop up and then sold off too fast. But, yep, that was GAN. Not bad. Really good example of how the scans work. So, at the moment, I may be CEMI popping on off out of the blue. Yeah, I don't see any news on CMI. That one's getting a crazy amount of volume at the moment. That one recently, just actually Friday, made a big move up to 578, so it's going to be met with a lot of resistance. Recent resistance. Yeah, I am not forcing anything at the moment. The ones that are kind of interesting to me are SLDB against 475 and still, or 475, AMC under $4, but a little slow. A little slow. David, are you swinging JKS? No, I'm not swinging it. No, I've just been trading it every day. It wouldn't be a bad swing, but I wouldn't be able to go to sleep at night, guys. If I was swinging some of these, I don't know. I don't really swing trade because I wouldn't be able to sleep at night, man. You never know what's going to happen. I go to sleep, Trump gets the coronavirus, the market tanks. Who knows what's going to happen? But JKS, yeah, this one, if I was swinging, I'd be sizing in very slowly and expecting it to keep going higher and higher. But JKS is, yeah, just been trading it. I took it at 46, but I actually had it average 46. Would be still nice, obviously, be holding some of that, but I took it on that initial flush. So, yep. Longs take longer, shorts take shorter. You guys are aware of that. Shorts take shorter. That's why I lean towards shorting most of the time. AMC is very slow, but I really want that under 4. Doesn't look like we're going to get it, which I'm fine with because I don't want to be sitting in a long all day anyways. SLDB sitting right at resistance at 475. But yeah, there was a really good plays today, guys. So I'm happy with it. GAN, beautiful scanner play. Always good plays popping up on the scans. BBBY, beautiful, over 22, now selling off a point, so good work there, anybody who got that. Fearless, JKS, been treating us good. SLDB, not bad out of the gates, but I think that's going to wrap it up today. It's about 10 o'clock, so coin already up 35% on that BBY put. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The Avery day trading team. We're just green every day, guys. Just is what it is. I'm going to wrap it up there, guys. Any questions before we head on out? And otherwise, I'll see you guys in the morning. If you want these scans to keep trading throughout the day and keep reeling in money, check the description. You guys can get them. Daniel got BBBY again. Nice work, man. Beautiful job, guys. Yeah, I'd be there along with you guys. I didn't have shorts with that one. So, could locate them. But that was a beautiful play. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, baby. Shorts take shorter. It's taking the elevator down. BBBY, great job there. Yep. Fast move up through the whole dollar. Short it. And then taking that elevator down. That's why I like the shorts. All right, guys. If no questions, happy trading today. Trade safe. Trade safe. Protect that bag. For those of you killing it this morning. I'll see you guys in the morning. If you have any questions, email me, averydaytrading@gmail.com. Keep killing it, baby. We'll see you guys in the morning.